Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is a three-wave up for a W. I still think three waves down for an X. I still think this is going to make one, two, three waves up for a wave Y, which is an ABC on shorter time frames, most likely going up and taking out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is an uptrend. I think this is a wave one of the wave C. I think this is a three-way pattern, wave two of wave C. And I still think this is very, very likely to go up and make a big old wave three. I think this is an A over here. I think this is a W, X, Y, or B. And I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely been pretty rangy for a few weeks now, maybe even a few months on the Aussie. I think that more than likely this is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think more than likely we probably are in a wave 2 right now. I honestly wouldn't be surprised at this point if it did try to go down more. Most wave 2s do take out the low of wave 4, so we will have to keep an eye on it. I mean, the trend is definitely still up, and I would lean more towards this continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. But the fact that the wave 4 never got taken out is kind of a concern that possibly it will end up going down quite a bit more before it actually does go back up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up right here. Now I would kind of expect to see another push up. I mean, this is a very odd, if this just continues the downtrend from here, it's a very odd looking pattern. Now if it actually goes down, bounces off a fib level, goes up and then makes a lower high, and turns back down, then I could say, okay, that's a very clear ABC correction. But as of right now, we don't have that. So I would definitely on shorter time frames be looking for sorts. I would expect it to at least go down to one of these fib levels, but I would also expect to see some sort of a move up, whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. I guess we'll have to wait and find out. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got the end of a trend here. We definitely got the end of a five-way pattern to the upside. I would expect this first move down right here to be a wave A. I would expect this right here to be a wave B. I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to go down further, maybe to the 50, maybe even the 61.8 to make a wave C. Then I would definitely expect to see another push to the upside. Now, I would definitely call this either a wave A or wave 1, ABC of B or ABC of 2. Then we can hopefully learn and earn at the same time by going long at the end of this correction, whether we're looking at a wave 3 or whether we're looking at a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.